All right, part 3 continued. So r to the second power, s to the second power, t to the second power. So look here, what do I need? I need 3 r's. How many do I have? I only have 1. So give me 1 more. All right, I need 6 s's. How many do I have? You only have 2 here. So how many do you need? You need 4 more to make that complete. So we're just adding. That's it. All right, I need t to the 9th power. So I need 9 of these. Well, how many do you have? I only have 2. So that means how many do you need? I need 7 to make that complete. Okay. And I need r to the second power. Check. I need 2 s's. Check. I need 2 t's. Check. So what would you put here? You're right. A 1. Okay. I think y'all could have got this without me. But you know, I love teaching you guys. Okay. Last set, and I will not get on your nerves anymore, just like I say in class all the time. Okay? I want you to get to a point where when you look at the greatest common factor, you're like, okay, I know exactly what to do. I know how to break it down. I know what I'm looking for. So really, you're just breaking everything down step by step so you can get a visual and understand everything that's going on. 3 times 3 will give me 9. I got 4 x's. I have 3 y's, and I have 1 z. So let's start underlining what we have in common. I have a 3 in common. 2 of these, 2 x's, and 3 y's. So what would you bring out? 3 x to the second power, y to the third power. And then open up your parentheses for me. I have staticky. Okay, so let's go back. So I need 3x to the second power, y to the third power. I have all of it here. So just put a 1. I have it all. I need 9. I have 3. So 3 times what to give me 9? 3. I need 4 x's. How many do you have? I have 2 x's. So how many do you need? I need 2 more. Okay. How many y's do I need? I need 3 y's. I have 3 y's already. Well, I need 1 z. How many z's do I have? None. So I need to put a z right here. Okay. So I know it gets easier every time you do, and I know I give you a lot of examples, but I'd rather you have lots of examples than not to understand. Okay, now that we've got familiar with how to do your factor tree, if I look at 2x minus 4y plus 8z and say, well, I know they don't have x, y, or z in common. Okay, I want you to think about your factor tree. Tell me what they have in common. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2. Break that down a little bit more. But in the end, the only thing they have in common is a 2. And I can't say, well, what about the other 2's? I can't do anything with it because this doesn't have any more 2's. So I want you to factor out a 2 if that's all that they have in common. And then help me fill it in. I need 2x. I have 2, but I'm missing the x. I need 4y. Well, I have 2 so far, so I need 2 more, and I need the y. Okay? I need 8. I have, so far, it's 2. 2 times what would give me 8? 4. And bring down your z. And that's it. 1 step. 1 step. That's it. Here, 4y squared plus 8y minus 2xy. I do notice that they all have a y in them, so that's a good thing. So even if you did your factor tree here, which I want you to get to a point where you say, Miss Thomas, I think I have it, which is be wonderful. All right. They only have a 2 in common, but they all have a y. Every last one of them has a y. So I need 4y to the second power. So far I have 2y. So what do you need? You need 2y. You need 2 more. Because 2 times 2 is 4. Y times y is y squared. I need 8y. What do I have so far? I have 2. So what am I missing? The 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. And then bring over. You already have a y on the outside. Okay. I need 2xy. What do you have? You have 2y. What are you missing? The x. And that's it. That's your answer. Let me scoot that up, y'all, so it'll be an eye view. All right, the last 2. The same thing for 3x squared minus 6xy plus 9xy squared. Okay, so we want you to factor out, what do they have? They all have x's. Do they all have y's? No, they don't. If I do my factor tree, 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3. What do they have in common? A 3. Notice it. Every last one of them have at least a 3 that they share. So bring that out, okay? Bring that out. And we're going to bring out the x. They have an x in common, but they all 3 of them don't have y, so you can't bring that out. I need 3x squared. What do you have? 3x. What are you missing? X. You need 6xy. What do you have? I have 3x because you're not counting. You're only looking at what's on the outside. So you do distributive property, do your time table. What would give me a 6? 2. Okay, I have an x already. What am I missing? The y. I need 9. What do I have? You have 3. 3 times what to give me 9? 3. Okay. You need 1x. You have 1x. But I don't have any y, so I need both of those. And that's your answer. Okay. And the last one, number 70. You're looking for what they have in common. Since this one looks difficult, I'm going to break that down. 2 times 3. I'm just breaking down my numbers at first. Okay. Now let me break down. I just like to write it down. I have 2 x's, 2 y's, and 2 z's. But what about over here? I have x, I have 2 y's, and I have 2 z's as well. Okay, what do I have here? I have 1 x, 1 y, and 2 z's. So let me go down the line and try to figure out what they have in common. Okay, I see a 2. I see a 2. I see a 2. Okay, but if I underline a 2, no 2, can't use it. Okay, what about 3? 3 here, but no 3 here, so I can't use it. Okay, let's look at the y-axis. I see 1 here, and 1 here. Okay, they all 3 have to have it. 1y, 1y, and 1y. Because this last one doesn't have another y that I can circle. Z's, I'm sorry, all 3 of them have z's. So what they have in common, they have a 2, they have an x, they have y, and they have z to the 2nd power. That's what they all have in common. Help me figure this out. So I need 4. I have 2 so far, so 2 times 2 is 4. I mean, yes, 2 times what is 4? 2. I need 2 x's. How many do you have? You ain't got but 1, so I need 1 more. I need 2 y's. How many do I have? I only have 1, so give me another one. I need 2 z's. I have 2 z's here, so you're perfect. I need 6. 2 times what to give me a 6? 3. How many y's? How many x's? I have an x. I need 2 y's. I only have 1, so I need 1 more. I need 2 z's. I have 2 z's already, so just leave that alone. All right, good. I need 12. All right, I have 2 so far, so 2 times what to give me 12? 6. I need 1 x. I have 1 x. I need 1 y. I have 1 y. I need 2 z's. I have 2 z's. Close it up, and that's your answer. Okay. All right, y'all, and y'all have a wonderful night. I hope this helps.